Hey, welcome to the channel. Time has passed and I've realized something. I have the same question that everybody else seems to always have. Where do we go? We decide we want to go camping. First thing people ask, where? Okay, well, I may have something to help with that. We have a little gem located in our backyard called the Fort DeSoto Park, and the park has a campground. It's located in the south end of Pinellas County and north of Tampa Bay, and it's pretty nice. There are a lot of neat things to do. So if you're looking for maybe a trip to the coast, water-related activities, I've got just the place for you. So if I get a few minutes of your time, we'll go on a little journey and we'll take a look at what the Fort DeSoto Park and the campground has to offer. Now that we've set up camp, let's explore what Fort DeSoto Park has to offer. The park's namesake, Fort DeSoto, was established in 1900 and was manned until it was abandoned in 1923. No shot was ever fired from its mortars in an act of hostility. The park is made up of 5 islands. The campground is located on Christopher Key. There are many activities to do in the park, such as kayaking, fishing, bicycle path riding, beaches, picnic areas, and of course, the campground itself. Let's explore and take a look at what the park has to offer us. I think this is where they stored the gunpowder and stuff. No pirates here anymore. Look at that beautiful beach. In 2005, this beach was voted #1 beach in North America. No, paddle in the same direction me mine is. That's going backwards. Yeah. Sit, Trigger, sit. Trigger, sit. Okay, that's it.
Oh boy.
Oh, okay, it's working, yeah.
No, please don't talk about it.
What? Where?
Look on the branches.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, fiddler crabs.
Where?
Hold on, I want to get a video.
Where?
Thanks,
Right here.
I don't see it.
Come get me.
I don't see it. Ah, whoa, 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 wow, that's so cool. Whoa. even think about it.
Get all our stuff.
Get pictures of trigger magnet.
We'll just keep it on you. Okay, ready? Okay, watch out, watch out.
Daddy, this is crazy!
The 238 campsites at Fort DeSoto are spread out over 3 areas. Area 2 is dog friendly. You have up to 2 dogs. There are other amenities such as water and electric in all sites, 2 dump stations, playground, bathhouses, and a camp store with a cafe. Granddaughter running here. She's ready to play.
Okay.
Come down this way. There you go.
I want to do it. Oh, is that like a balancing thing? Can you see if it wiggles? I don't know on that if it wiggles.
Oh.